In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bar graph in Excel. To begin, open your worksheet and find the data you want to turn into a graph. The first thing you need to do is highlight the entire data range you plan to use. Be sure to include both the category labels and the numerical column headers. This part is important because Excel uses those labels to understand how to organize the graph and how to name the data correctly. If you leave out any labels or headers, the chart may not display the information as clearly as you want. Once your full data range is selected, move to the top of the Excel window and click the Insert tab in the menu bar. This tab contains all of the main tools for adding visual elements to your worksheet, including charts and graphs. After you click Insert, look toward the middle of the ribbon for the Charts group. This is the section where Excel keeps its chart options, and it is where you will find the tool you need for creating a bar graph. Next, click the Insert Column or Bar Chart icon. This button is usually represented by a small chart image with vertical bars, so it is fairly easy to recognize once you are in the correct section. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several chart types and layout choices. In that menu, look for the 2D bar or 3D bar section. You can then choose the layout style you prefer, such as clustered bar. For most basic data comparisons, clustered bar is a great option because it is clean, simple, and easy to read. As soon as you click your preferred style, Excel will generate a horizontal bar graph directly on your worksheet. At this point, you will be able to see your data displayed visually, which can make trends and comparisons much easier to understand. If needed, you can reposition the graph on the sheet later, but the main part of the process is complete as soon as you select the chart style. The key things to remember are to select the full data range first. Include your labels and headers. Then go to Insert, find the Charts group, click the Insert Column or Bar Chart icon and choose a bar style from the 2D bar or 3D bar options. That covers everything you need to know.